Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials, Java 17 or newer and VS Code. Install the extension pack for Java so you get language support, debugger, and Maven/Gradle helpers. Once done, set Java home and restart VS Code. This ensures the runtime is discovered. Now create a workspace folder, open it in the editor, and use Command Palette to run Java. Create Java project, choose a build tool and minimal template, so your first file is already scaffolded. You compile with the build task or integrated Maven/Gradle commands. This produces class files and dependencies. Run the main class directly from the Run menu or the terminal for quick feedback. To debug, set breakpoints and switch to the debug view. If you need arguments, create or edit launch. JSON, this lets you reproduce scenarios. Make sure to watch the problems and output panels so you can trace compile errors and stack traces. Then fix imports, types, or dependency versions. You package the app with MVN package or Gradle build, or use the VS Code packaging command to create a runnable JAR. Test that JAR with the same Java version you compiled with, because mismatched runtimes cause runtime failures. Once packaged, you can deploy or share. If something goes wrong, first verify Java home and path, then open the Java extension logs and the output pane. If needed, reload the window or reinstall the Java extension and JDK.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.